Downloading your account data from TikTok is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal TikTok profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. This will give you access to various account options. Step 4. Select privacy and settings. From the settings menu, choose privacy or account. The exact wording may vary. Look for the option that says download your data or data management. Step 5. Request data download. Follow the prompts to request your data download. You may need to select the type of data you want to download. After confirming your request, TikTok will process it and notify you when your data is ready for download. Once you have completed these steps, you will receive a notification when your data is available. You can then download it directly from the app or through the link provided in the notification.